Have you ever seen those ads for Laidanyou glasses popping up everywhere promising to improve your eyesight, enhance eye microcirculation, fix age-related vision issues, and even adjust automatically for every user like there's some kind of high-tech miracle? The claims are bold, the marketing is flashy, and for a second you might even start to believe it's real. But let's slow down and take a closer look, because there are a lot of red flags that make this product feel more like clever marketing than actual science. First, the reviews, they all seem suspiciously fake. Dozens of 5-star ratings posted on the exact same day using the same kind of overly positive language that feels scripted. Then there's the attention-grabbing claim that the glasses were designed by NASA engineers, but there's absolutely no evidence or documentation to support that. A quick reverse image search shows that identical-looking glasses are sold on AliExpress and Amazon at a much lower price, which raises serious questions about where these glasses actually come from and what you're really paying for. On top of that, the website uses classic high-pressure sales tactics, fake countdown timers, only 7 left in stock warnings, and urgent language trying to push you into a fast decision. That's not a sign of a quality product, it's a sign of a hard sell. They've even been caught using stolen images from other websites to make their product look more authentic, which is another huge red flag. And probably the most concerning part? The health claims. They say the glasses can improve vision and eye circulation, but they offer zero scientific evidence or clinical testing to back that up. So is this product a total scam? Maybe not entirely, but it definitely isn't the miracle solution it pretends to be. If you're thinking about buying Laidanyou glasses, you might want to take a step back, look at the facts, and think twice before spending your money on something that sounds too good to be true, because in this case, it probably is.